Are you looking for the best iPhone filmmaking equipment for aspiring content creators? In this video we will look at some of the best iPhone filmmaking equipment for aspiring content creators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Movo Huge iPhone Video Production Kit V8. At the heart of this bundle is the PR1 smartphone rig. It looks like a selfie stick, but the phone is attached in the middle. At the bottom of the rig, you'll find the rubberized grip handle, which can be replaced with a tripod. And on top of the rig, you'll find the accessory shoe where you can attach mics and lights. As for the microphones included in this kit, there are 4 different types that you can use for different applications. The WMIC50 wireless lav mic system and MA2010 mini mic are ideal for capturing audio during vlogging and other outdoor adventures. For a more formal setting like documentaries and interviews, you can use the VXR10 shotgun mic and the VXR2360 mic. Other accessories in the bundle include an LED light, a shoe extender that provides additional mounting space for other mics and accessories, a Bluetooth remote, a TRS-TRRS adapter cable, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. At number 2. Switti RGB Video Light. Lighting plays an essential role in producing the intended outcome of filmmaking. But lighting doesn't have to be costly to produce great results. That is why we recommend using the Switti RGB Video Light. For only $250, you'll get a complete lighting kit that can work for both indoor and outdoor applications. Included in the lighting kit are 2 RGB lights, 2 adjustable tripods, 2 power adapters, 2 softboxes, 2 white filters, and 1 carrying bag. The RGB lights included are all LED and can produce 7,000 lux at a distance of 0.5 meters. It can operate from 2600K 10,000K of color temperature and 0 to 360 color gamut. This will give you the flexibility to work with warm or cool colors to create various effects. Aside from the flexibility with the light settings, the Switti RGB lights allow easy customization. Through the built-in control panels on its back, you can manually adjust the color temperature, brightness, and color gamut. This control system is also linked to each other using a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, so you can use this to sync light settings or create successive lighting effects. At number 3. Torjim 60-inch Camera Tripod. Having a tripod is another necessity for aspiring filmmakers and content creators. That is why we recommend this affordable yet trusty Torjim 60-inch tripod. For only $30, you'll have a tripod made from aluminum alloy that can carry a 5 kg payload. The Torjim tripod has a unique feature that is suitable for iPhone filmmakers: its wireless remote shutter connect. Upon connecting your iPhone to the tripod, you'll be able to snap photos or capture videos using the included Bluetooth remote control in the bundle. Although sturdy and durable, the tripod is lightweight. The whole tripod kit is only 1.5 kilograms in total, very handy when you're a content creator that frequently travels. At number 4. Moment Anamorphic Lens. For aspiring iPhone filmmakers who want to create drama, Moment's anamorphic lens might be what you need. This lens is available in 2 types, the blue flare and gold flare. What an anamorphic lens does is it forces every shot or video you take into a 16:9 wide aspect. Forcing this change in aspect ratio induces a wider field of view, as well as inducing a very pronounced oval-shaped bokeh during shots. These effects create more drama and flair throughout a video, which greatly improves the overall feel of every scene. But not everyone likes the results of an anamorphic lens due to personal tastes, so it's better to try it out first before buying. Also, this lens only works with Moment's M-series cases. At number 5. BeastGrip Pro 1.33x Anamorphic Lens. The Pro Series 1.33x anamorphic lens is must-have for filmmakers wanting a classic, cinematic widescreen aspect ratio, dramatic perspective, and creative, Hollywood-style lens flares. Anamorphic lenses have been used in some of the most famous movies of all time, such as Transformers, and now you can harness the same power with your smartphone. Bring your videos to life the way that only an anamorphic lens can. Details: the anamorphic lens works by squeezing the image horizontally to record the highest resolution possible onto the sensor, which then allows you to desqueeze the image in post-production, or in real time with a third-party app ***, for a widescreen 2.4:1 aspect ratio for video and 16:9 for photos. The following apps allow you to desqueeze your footage in real time: Filmic Pro, Video iOS and Android, Mavis, Video iOS, ProMovie, iOS, Gorilla Filmmaker, iOS.